So, it's time to unbox the Rode PS1. I'm replacing my cheaper microphone arm because it broke, and this one have some pretty good reviews. I just want something really strong that won't break on me again. I don't really care about how it looks. And this is the scissor style arm, so it doesn't look as good as the one piece round arm that you see, but it is stronger. So here we go. The packaging is pretty beefy, and there are two mounting options for this microphone arm. One is drilling a hole through your table and then inserting this hardware that they give you, and the other option would be the clamp option. The clamp is pretty beefy. That's the main difference between this arm and some cheaper ones. Also notice that the center of gravity on the clamp is moved inward toward your table. And we can see that here once I take it out of the packaging. So the center hole right there is more inward towards your table than the cheaper mounts, which actually sit outside of your table. And here it is, the actual arm itself that was sitting in this box. There's some spring loaded here. That's why they put this warning. That way you don't just pull it out and then have it fling at something. I just noticed that my arm is missing two Velcro straps for holding in the wire. Spring tension is not too bad. There's the Velcro that I was talking about. It only comes with one of them when it's supposed to come with three. So I'll either use zip tie or contact them and get two more. This piece looks pretty beefy. You'll have to drill a hole in your desk to mount it though. I might do it someday if I found a permanent spot on my desk. Look like a pretty big hole. I have a cheap desk, so I don't mind drilling it. On the other hand, this mount is very beefy also. Just clamp it on your desk, stick this thing down, and you're done. So here it is, all installed. There's one Velcro. I needed one right there, another one here, and one maybe on the bottom. So I actually need 4 of them. Came with one. Here's how I mount mine. I just clamp it onto my monitor stand. Works out pretty good. It's all the way high. Just pull it down when I need to use it. Feels pretty good. It stopped wherever I let go and wherever I want it. That's all I wanted in a stand, and hopefully it'll last another 10 years, and $10 per year, that's not bad.